So okay, so Tesla, I had that big position in it from 235 to be exact, 235. It was up like 150K. The problem is with Tesla for me was, where do I raise my stop to? I didn't want to keep my stop down here. I don't, so where do I put my stop? So I didn't know where to actually put my stop. So I decided to give it, you see this bar, that's 256. Yeah, 256.33. So I decided to give it to 256, but give it a little bit more to 250, to the whole number. And it got to 243. So I actually got trailed out. But on the way down, I also hedged with the TSLQ. So it didn't, like, I didn't give it all back. And then I decided to get back in it because I felt like this is a shakeout. I mean, took out the prior support only to end up getting bought. The 20 starting to hook. So I ended up getting back in it. So today, when it was down 6-7%, I was thinking for sure I'm going to get stopped out. This is 243. This should be, yeah, it's 243.36. So that was going to be my stop. So I figured, with today's gap down, I'm definitely going to get stopped out because I wasn't expecting the market to also get bought. I thought the gap in the market was bearish. Luckily, I saw on the 5-minute chart that it looked good. It held up. And so I said in the room, if you're not in Tesla, this should hold up. And that's what it did. So it did amazing. And I think the bottom is in on Tesla. And I think the bottom is in on the market. If you look at the daily, the 20 starting to hook. So it looks good.
We played Tesla like a fiddle today. I got to say, you got, if you're looking at gamma exposure in Tesla, you got a strong sort of intermediate sitting at 280, and then if they crack that, you could squeeze it to 300 and beyond. But those are your two big gamma walls there. So Tesla really likes to obey certain anchored VWAPs, and you can see here you had a gap fill reversal, and today you gap lower. You put it in the piercing engulfing reversal bar on the daily, but what I was looking for was for Tesla to hold this red line, the anchored VWAP, which it did. And then, in the morning, we were short Tesla into the report, killed it. And I told my room, I think all potential bad news is priced in here. And I think they're going to rally Tesla off the open. So we reversed long off the open and proceeded to, catch like a 10, 12 point move. And then it's just been scalper's paradise the rest of the day. We're just buying every pullback and getting back in there. I'm still long TSLL from 2 Fridays ago. That was a real pain in the butt to hold, but I've been telling my room for the past week, there is a strong underlying bid in Tesla. If you compare the Tesla chart to, say, Microsoft, Microsoft made a new low past the Friday rally, right? Apple, right? Tesla just looks much stronger as a chart. It has a stronger underlying bid. I believe that it has bottomed, and I expect at least a move to 300, if not 340. It's been a real pleasure to trade.
Interesting. Sami actually gave specifically 342 last week as a possible target for Tesla.
Sorry, I'm going with JR. 340 is it.
Okay, let it be known, Sami has lowered his price target on Tesla from 342 to 340.